This has just gone beyond my expectations of what would happen. I think it's just been fabulous. And I like to think we've inspired, makers of the future.
Doing our own 3D printing allows us to print hands for little children that have been born without them and they can't get them on the NHS.
And I would love a 3D printer to kickstart myself into the world of business.
Having access to having a 3D printer, it will give me and others the jumpstart we need to go into the industry of additive manufacturing and engineering.
How can we change the world with a 3D printer? We want to open access to children from all communities who wouldn't otherwise have a chance to interact with cutting-edge technology. At the same time, we want to inspire their creativity by providing open-ended design challenges, teaching 3D CAD design, and connecting the virtual and the physical world in a way that is relevant to the future that we'll inhabit.
I can change the world via the use of 3D printers by using 3D printers to produce water filtration devices to provide humanitarian aid.
I would use a 3D printer to print out a walking stick. The benefits are that old people can customize their own sticks and they don't need to buy one, they could just make it at home and they can make it as big as you want and have more grip.
If I had the 3D printer, I would print food out and give it to the homeless to end world hunger.
And if I had a 3D printer, I would make science equipment so then scientists can discover more discoveries.
If I had a 3D printer, I would give one to the animal trust and hospitals because animals and the vets are really struggling to find prosthetic limbs for them.
If I had a 3D printer, I would use it to make 3D maps.
If I had a 3D printer, I would print bricks out so I could build shelters for the homeless people, and I think this is a good idea because it would stop homelessness.